Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about operations on pointer variables. Just want to clarify that this video is only about variables, operation variables. There are no arrays. As you can see, I've declared and initialized x, y, pointers p and q of type int, of course. Now pointer p points toward the variable x, and pointer q points toward the pointer y. The first rule on operations on pointer variables is that the value of a pointer can be assigned to another pointer of the same type. So you can write p equal q. This simply means that where q points to, it points to y, will be stored in p. So p now doesn't point toward x, it points toward q. Both of these two have the same value, the same meaning, because the content of what q is have been stored in p. To test this, let's just see out q or p. Let me start with p, and in line see out q, u and line, and also see out the address of y. Debug it. And you can see here it is the value of p is the same as the value of q is the same as the value of y, because before p was pointed toward x, okay, and q toward y. Now q, the value of q is stored in p, so now p points toward y because q points toward y. And these three statements now have the same meaning. Okay, moving to the next point. Integer values can be added and subtracted from a pointer variable. This means that I can't do this. Let me delete that. Int x equal p minus 3. So we'll subtract 3 from the value which p points towards. So we'll subtract 3 from 10 because p points toward 10, and we'll save this this value in x, or let me call it r. We'll save this value in the variable r. See out r and line, and I want to see out x, so you can see if it makes a difference on the actual value of x or not. So here you can see it subtracted 3 from the value where p points towards, so the value of x, which is 10, and stored it in r. See out r, it's 7. See out x, it's 10. So the value of x doesn't change, it stays as it is. Let me just go back here where I had p equal q. Okay. Now star p equal 4. This will store 4 in star p, in where p points toward. Now p doesn't point toward x, it points toward y because of this statement. Now if I want to see the value of y, just output it, and you will see the difference. It is now 4 instead of 20 because I changed it here. Here you can see it is 4. Another, this is the same as saying plus plus or minus minus star p. Yeah, this is the increment and decrement is just the same. Let me do an example about decrementing, sorry. P. So I increment it by 1 and then decrement it by 1. So it will give me the same output. Why is that? So it's 20 because I incremented by 1 and they decremented by 1. So what I'm gonna say is prefix, postfix, yeah, that was it. Another point I wanted to mention is if I have I'll mention it in the arrays, in the operational arrays video. Thank you for watching. See you next video. The arrays, the operational arrays video will be a tough one. Okay, bye.